Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. With a flathead screwdriver, separate the holding tab from the filter. To disconnect the first hose, push on either side of the hose where there are green-coloured parts. This will help it unclip. Remove the electric connection by lifting the holding spurt and pulling on the terminal at the same time. Repeat the same process on the second hose. Extract the filter by pushing upwards, which should release it from its housing. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Unscrew the drain screw under the filter to release the diesel contained in the cartridge. Then remove it. Using a Torx 35 socket, remove the screw on the diesel filter cover. Separate the filter cartridge from the flange, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Clean the filter flange using brake cleaner fluid and paper towels. Take the new filter. Replace the seal on the central screw with the one provided in the box of the new filter. Screw the drain screw located under the filter. Put the seal for the cover in place. Insert the new filter element, pushing downwards to the bottom of the box. Put the filter cover back in, paying careful attention to the position of the spurs to be able to reconnect the hoses once the filter is installed in the right place. Then, screw the screw back on the cover. Place the new filter. Start by aligning the lower spur on the filter, then the upper spur. Once in front, apply a downward pressure on the whole thing. This will let you put it back in place. With a flathead screwdriver, turn the tab to lock the filter in place. Reconnect each hose as well as the electric connector. Pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.